Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for shin guards for martial arts, Muay Thai, kickboxing, karate, some form of martial arts, this video is definitely for you. So what I have here is a set of these shin guards and I want to kind of give you an overview about them. So first I'm going to give you a close-up of what they look like. So this material is like a very hard, it's like in layers. So there's like this outer layer here that's kind of like smooth. And then you have this inner layer here that's padded, obviously for the old shins. And then there's like, but it's like thick. It's thick enough to where it's not negatively impacting the your movement or mobility or anything else, but you're gonna get that. There's definitely comfort there and protection. Kind of give you an idea of like, does this thing bend? I mean, it's not easily, definitely not this way. Like it ain't moving this way, like flexing this way, it ain't happening. This way, just barely. The straps on here, it's all the sizing is right on point with the size chart. So look at the size chart. If, whatever that measurement is, that's exactly what you get here. This Velcro can go all the way from the inside here, all the way over. So you can get a very tight grip. It's thick enough on the Velcro here, so it's not gonna slip. You also have similar here on the lower part of the front shin and around the back calf. Then you have 1, 2, of these, bungee style straps. These are not Velcro, so they are per the dimensions in the listing. And then you have similar padding right here to protect the top part of the foot. Very cool. And the padding is all the way down. Your joint right here is very flexible, so it doesn't negatively impact your mobility when wearing these. Very easy to put on. Slide them in. Put the foot around. Then on the back side. So when being worn, I mean, you're in there. Definitely nice and convenient. Definitely is providing some significant, if you were to try to shatter a shin right on this, I mean, it distributes. The cool part is it is distributing the weight all along this because it's so, the internals of this padding, like it doesn't put the pressure in one spot. It distributes the weight and impact all along the padding. Same thing for here as well. Very cool. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review? Can you tell us how they feel? Tell us what you think. All in all, this is a nice set for sure. Like, I would say this is on the nicer end as far as quality and overall protection and comfort. I mean, you could do put some serious work with these, especially if the opponent doesn't have these. You're going to have a significant edge, but obviously this is more for practice and working on your form. Hopefully any of y'all questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.